Hi, Edina High School. I'm so excited to introduce our new program, the Edina Rotary Global Scholars Program. First off, a little bit about myself. I'm the coordinator of the program. My name is Miss Smaka. You may have had me for chemistry or forensics. I have also done the past 3 science travel study expeditions and am doing the one to Borneo this summer. I have a strong passion for global education, and I hope to share that passion with many of you through this program. So the Rotary Global Scholars Program is a 3-year program intended to be started your sophomore year of high school. However, if you are already a sophomore or a junior, you can complete this in fewer years depending on your past coursework. Basically, the goal is to develop global competency skills that you will use after graduation. Prepare you for a global career. This world is ever so interconnected and getting more and more connected. Develop understanding for world issues, and we want to build bridges across nations and cultures. With this program, there are scholarship opportunities. You'll be recognized at graduation upon successful completion. To successfully complete the program, there's a world language requirement, global competency, global collaboration experience, Rotary Club participation, and a capstone course. For world language, what we would like you to do is reach the highest level proficiency in a world language. So that's basically reaching the highest level in any of our 5 languages we offer here at the high school. Or if you're already proficient in another language, that would qualify as well. If you sign up for the program, you'll also take part in a global competency training. This will be completed here at Edina High School. Opportunities will be offered throughout the school year and communicated. Global collaboration experience. This is another requirement of the program. If you traveled with the high school, one of the travel-based learning experiences, that definitely counts. If you've done your own international exchange program, participated in the Rotary, or if you were part of the Model UN conference, that also counts as a global collaboration experience. As far as the travel study goes, I'm highlighting all of the countries that we have just visited in the past year or so. If you went to South Korea or are planning on going to Vietnam or Borneo, this would count towards your global collaboration requirement. During this program, you will also participate in the Rotary Club of Edina in one of their youth events, which are listed here. You may have been involved in the past, may not have, but you will get involved in the Rotary through this program. Your junior or senior year, you'll enroll in a capstone course. So this will be the Global Scholar Capstone course. It is in the registration book. And basically what you do is you will choose a research project. It will be based on one of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. And it'll be something that you're passionate about, some global issue that you're passionate about, and will be related to your pathway concentration. So your pathway concentration, you have 3 choices. You choose coursework based on your interest. We call them the program of study. The first one is STEM, so if science, technology, engineering, and math. All of the requirements require the highest level of a language. For the STEM concentration, though, it requires 8 credits of math, and you must reach pre-calculus or above, 8 credits of science, 2 credits of computer science or PLTW, and that Global Scholar Capstone project. The fine arts concentration, again with the world language, and it requires 8 credits of the fine arts and the 1 credit capstone. Or humanities, again the highest level of world language, and then 6 credits of humanities in addition to social studies and the English requirement and that capstone course. If you're at all interested in signing up for the program, visit tinyurl.com/rotaryglobal, or go ahead and take your phone out and scan that QR code. It'll bring you to that Google form. There's a FlexBlock session happening on February 20th where I will give you more information and you can ask me questions. There's also a Remind you can join, which is here. Text Rotary GL to 81010, and I did a screenshot of when I tried to join also. It'll ask you a few questions and you just reply, and then you'll get updates on the program from that. If you have any questions at all, feel free to send me an email anytime, lindsay.smaka@edinaschools.org. You can also stop by anytime you want. I am mostly in room E232. There's more information in that Google form as well. If you type in tinyurl.com/Rotary Global, this brings you to the Google form to show your interest. If you scroll here, there's a document called About Rotary Global. Feel free to open that and go through all about the program here. There's also a document called Rotary Global Requirements. So if you want to see where you're at and which things you need to still complete to be successful in the program, that is all laid out for you here in this document as well. Thank you guys.